Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make stir-fry tofu with bell pepper. Tofu is very healthy and we are going to make it spicy and tasty as side dish. And here I have taken tofu. It's firm tofu and we are going to take out all the water from it, put it on the paper napkin and then put some heavy weight. I have used this pan which I'm going to use for cooking also. You can take any heavy weight. Make sure the plate which you place the tofu is a little bit deep so all the liquid is collected, and when you take out this water it won't splatter when the water when frying, and it won't break. So I'm going to cut it into medium slices, and now we are going to fry them with little oil. I've taken iron pan, so iron pan takes little time to get hot, but once it's hot you have to adjust the heat, make a low heat. So here place the tofu slices on the iron pan, and we are going to put some salt on both the sides when frying, and we are going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and you can put little bit of salt if you want depending on how much salt you take. So for 2 to 3 minutes we are going to fry it. This is done, so I'm going to take it out. If you feel it has a lot of oil, then you can take it out in a paper napkin, paper towel, so that all the oil gets absorbed. But here the oil is not that much. So here now I'm making the sauce: apple cider vinegar, soya sauce. You can take rice vinegar also. So I'm using the soya sauce, chili sauce as per your taste. If you like it spicy, then you can use it more. I like spicy food, so I'm going to use a little bit extra red chili sauce. And for the sweetness, we are going to use brown sugar. Mix it well and keep it ready. So now I'm taking here chopped ginger. You can also add garlic, chopped garlic along with the ginger to get that garlicky flavor. So I'm going to add capsicum to this. These are cleaned and chopped, and stir fried for about, sauteed for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we don't cover the bell pepper because they'll become soft and mushy, so keep on stirring in between until they become crunchy. You can add little bit of salt, but remember we have added salt to the tofu and again soya sauce. So now add the tofu. So adjust the salt as per your taste. I'm not going to add salt because soya sauce is a little bit salty. So mix it well, and now we are going to add the sauce. Now if the sauce is not enough for this, or it's become too dry, you can add little bit of about 2 tablespoons of water at this point, or some oil, whichever you prefer. If it becomes like that, for me I add 2 tablespoons of water. Now we are going to drizzle some sesame oil. Make sure sesame oil use is very less, because if it's much then it will give a bitter flavor, and the lesser it is, it will give a very nice that burnt flavor, which is really authentic. And now again on a high heat, stir fry it, and this can be served with rice or you can eat it by itself. Do try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and you can use this leftover recipe for wraps, and for your rice you can mix it with the rice or use it as a salad, so even the leftovers can be eaten. So do try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you very much.